Once again, good morning. This Easter morning, no? Salamat sa Diyos. Meron akong, alam nyo, ang addiction, no? Talagang whatever form, in many forms, no? Pag sinabi natin addict, kadalasan, drug addict, alcoholic, di ba? Gambling, sex addict, di ba? Or whatever sin, whatever it has control over us, wala tayong kalaban-laban. Walang kalaban-laban. It will have complete control. Alam mong mali, pero gagawin mo pa rin. Kasi kumpleto yung hawak sa atin. Talagang walang kawala. It has complete control. Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot ang ma-addict talaga. Pag maipit ka ng addiction, as if you have no choice. You are completely under the dominion of that dark force. No matter what you do, no, it will have control over us. We pray, no? The gospel today, sabi ni Jesus, ilang ulit ko na sinabi sa inyo kung sino ako, hindi pa rin kayo makapaniwala. Ano ba naman? Ano pa kailangan ko gawin para kayo maniwala? Pero pag sarado talaga, walang magagawa eh. It's some form of addiction eh. Sarado. Yung puso sarado. Hindi pwede kahit anong puwersa pa ang pwedeng magpalaya sa atin. It seems because of that addiction. But we hear many beautiful stories of how we were able to get out of our addiction. Walang imposible. Lahat pwede naman makalaya. Kung ano man addiction meron yan, pwede tayo makalaya. Sa grasya ng Panginoon, it is possible. Pag nakalaya lang tayo, pag narinig natin yung tinig, kailangan natin alagaan yung tinig na yan. At yan magpapalakas sa atin. Unti-unti. One baby step at a time, unti-unti hanggang makalaya. It is possible. No? But it is constant struggle. No? It is a constant struggle. Pero makakalaya tayo kung anumang hawak ng kadiliman meron sa atin. And we thank God for the Easter season, the power of God, the grace of the living God. He is truly alive to liberate us, to separate us from this darkness. It is possible with God's grace. We have to always listen to that voice, the voice of the Good Shepherd. At pag narinig natin, lumalakas tayo, lumalakas. Pag hindi natin marinig, pahina ng pahina. It is a constant renewing of that voice. Parang ugnayan, di ba? Ugnayan. Pag lagi tayo nag-uusap, lumalakas. Pag hindi tayo nag-uusap, humihina. Ganyan din sa Panginoon Diyos. Exactly the same. Pag hindi tayo makinig, hindi tayo magdasal, pahina ng pahina, palakas ng palakas yung addiction, ang kapit ng kadiliman. We pray that we always hear that voice of the Good Shepherd to help us, to liberate us, to free us, to reconcile us with the Father, to make Christ truly alive in us, and to be able to escape the clutches of darkness that envelope us. Salamat sa Diyos.